No. 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 Nah. No. No. Nah. No. No. God, no. No.
Hey man, what's up?
NM, just trying to get a date.
On Tinder again?
Yeah.
Any luck?
Nah, it's really hard to tell who's fake on there.
Yeah, I get what you mean.
There.
But guess what?
Question mark?
I know a girl. Super fine, funny, totally a 10 out of 10 woman. And I can give you her number.
How you know her?
She's Sophia's best friend, Emma.
Okay, well, if she's hot.
Yeah, well, here, good luck.
THX, amen. Man.
Thumbs up emoji.
Yeah. I'm Jason. Chris gave me your number. So what's up?
Just getting in some me time.
Ooh, nice. Like yoga?
What?
Like? I do yoga from time to time.
Really?
Yeah.
That's crazy laughing emoji.
So what's me time for you?
I like to do sports. I just got back from a run. Do you do any sports?
I do some esports. Dude.
Hey man, how's it going with Emma? Any pics yet?
Bruh, it's been like 10 minutes and I don't think she's gonna ever text me again.
Oh no. You didn't tell her about yoga, did you?
OFC I did, but that's not the problem. Here.
Oh no. You're screwed. Good luck with that.
Oh, ...
Dude, she responded.
Yeah man, good luck with this. ...
Is that a problem?
Nope, smiley face.
Dude, I think she likes me.
Oh, wait till she sees your KD at 0.5.
Has he responded yet?
No, not yet. I threw in a smiley face.
You're gonna make him think you're into him.
So?
Do you even like this guy?
IDK yet.
So how was your run?
Pretty good.
Ooh, girl.
Hey,
how's
you
and
and
Sophia?
Chris?
Nice.
Pretty good. He hasn't texted me yet today.
Great. Oh, I gotta text her. Hey, babe.
Well, hey, you should do tat.
Hey, babe, did you give Jason Emma's number?
How long?
Yeah, he's pretty desperate, you know.
What?
Yeah, but this is my girl we're talking about. You better know what you're doing.
How long was your run?
Trust me, babe. I'm the best wingman.
Oh, just a short 10K.
Okay. Love you.
Dude, this girl runs 10Ks just for fun.
Love you too.
What?
Oh, shoot, that was meant for Sophia.
Wow, that is impressive. Just for fun?
Love you too.
Oh, okay, bro. Hey, you free tonight?
Hey, so you busy with this boy, or are you free to hang?
Yeah, text the boys, see if they want to hang.
Nah, this probably won't be going anywhere soon. We just met.
Hey, anyone want to do something tonight? Tonight's $5 movie tickets. Let's see the new movie about the possessed girl. I don't want to see that. I already saw it. It wasn't that good. Plus, I don't have any $sign. Want to go shopping? Yeah, let's just do something. Can we please get dinner first, though? $3 Pazookies at BJ's tonight. Yes! Exclamation point! Exclamation point! Yes! Let's do it! Exclamation point! Great! Nah, I'm trying to diet. And just get something else. Yeah, let's get something different.
Hey guys, anyone down to hang tonight?
Say.
Yo, I'm dead.
RLFL.
Yo, this shit is hilarious. Hey, anyone want to hang tonight?
Come on.
I'm down for COD.
True. Sure.
Damn. Fire.
Yeah, girl. Ow!
Like, hey, man. Oh, yeah. Like. Hey.
Hey, so I've meant to ask this for a while, but I didn't really know how to date it. ... Would you maybe want to go on a date with me? Question mark. What's up?
Sorry, I was sleeping.
Okay, okay.
Ladies, what do I do?
Yo, guys, I need help.
Yeah, what up?
WTF do I do?
Leave him on red.
So wait, you like this guy now?
Oof, I don't know, dude.
Bro, she ghosted your ass.
I don't know, just help me! Crying emoji.
Just go on a date. It'll be fine. Just get some.
I can't just say that.
Yo, I had a girl do that to me once.
Really?
You had a girl once?
Bro, STFU flips the bird.
Guys, FR.
Just go on a date with him. Worst thing, just ghost him. He's genuinely a chill guy, so just give him a chance.
Apologize and make up. Tell the truth.
You mean make out?
Okay, fine, I'll do that.
What was she, blind?
You talking about Tiffany? Bro, she was the worst.
Hey, ... I'm sorry, I wasn't sleeping.
Yeah, I figured.
So, ...
How's, running going?
It's okay, I mean, it's rained a bit, so I haven't run in a few days.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, no worries. Can't control the weather, lol.
Haha, true.
How's yoga? Limber yet?
Like you wouldn't believe. I can almost touch my toes, so it'd say in Mr. Fantastic.
Hey, baby girl, you busy with emoji?
Yeah, you are. Laugh emoji.
So I still have questions about earlier. Hey, so I get it if you don't want to talk to me. I'm all right with that. IDK, I just thought you were like kind of cute and wanted to know you better and all IDK. But I get it if you want to like, just wait. I'm sorry too.
Hey. Sorry about that, my phone died.
Oh.
So you still want to go on that date?
Yeah.
Did you
Hey,
go out
that
with
girl
him
you
and
never
not
met
with
before?
her?
Just told me.
You still alive?